Ever felt like you're trying to calm a storm inside someone you love, but you don't even know where the thunder's coming from? That's what it's like dealing with agitation and aggression in dementia. It's not just forgetting things. It's a whole whirlwind of emotions and behaviors that can leave you feeling lost and helpless. First off, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and it's definitely not your fault. It's the disease talking, not the person you know and love. First things first, what's setting them off? Think of it like being a detective. What's the trigger? Are they in pain? Sometimes they can't tell you, but they might be clutching a part of their body or wincing. Are they tired? Dementia messes with sleep, so they might be running on empty. Are they overwhelmed? Too much noise, too many people, a change in routine. It can all be too much. Let's break down some practical tips. Create a calm zone. Imagine you're trying to relax in a crowded, noisy room. Not easy, right? Same goes for someone with dementia. Try to keep things quiet and predictable. Stick to a routine as much as possible. It's like giving their brain a little map to follow. Talk their language. Forget long, complicated sentences. Keep it short, simple, and direct. Use a gentle tone. And here's a big one. Avoid arguing. It's not going to change their mind, and it's just going to make things worse. Validate, validate, validate. Even if what they're saying doesn't make sense to you, acknowledge their feelings. I hear you're upset, or I understand you're frustrated. It's about letting them know you're listening, even if you don't understand. Distraction is your friend. If things are starting to heat up, try to redirect their attention. Put on some music they love, show them old photos, or offer them a favorite snack. It's like changing the channel on their brain. Safety first. If aggression escalates, your safety and theirs is paramount. If you feel like anyone is in danger, please contact professional help. Self-care is non-negotiable. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to take care of yourself. Take breaks, find support, and don't be afraid to ask for help. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. A few more things to consider. Medication. Talk to your doctor. Sometimes medication can help manage agitation and aggression. Activities. Find activities that engage them. Maybe it's gardening, folding laundry, or listening to music. It's about finding something that gives them a sense of purpose. Professional help. Don't hesitate to reach out to a dementia specialist or support group. They can offer guidance and support. Dealing with agitation and aggression in dementia is tough, no doubt about it. But with patience, understanding, and a few practical tips, you can make a real difference. Remember, you're not alone in this.